Few settings to turn off before your iPhone is stolen. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Further, scroll down and you will see the option for Face ID and passcode. Tap on that and then enter your Face ID or your passcode. Now, in this particular interface, scroll down to the Allow Access when locked tab and further toggle off the toggle button for Control Center. Next, go ahead and simply toggle on the toggle button for airplane mode, as this can make tracking harder on some devices. Also, you can change certain connectivity settings and access other control center shortcuts. Further, open settings again and then tap on your name on top of your screen and then go ahead and tap on the Find My option you see there and then go ahead and tap on Find My iPhone option. Here, make sure the toggle button for Find My iPhone, Find My Network, and Send Last Location is toggled on. See if that helps you in fixing your issue. Next, go ahead and in Face ID and passcode settings again, tap on it and enter your passcode. Further, go ahead and scroll down and you will see the option for stolen device protection. So make sure the stolen device protection toggle button is enabled, as this adds extra security by requiring Face ID or Touch ID and a security delay for sensitive actions when you are away from familiar locations. Also, in your passcode settings, make sure to use strong alphanumeric passcode instead of simple 4-digit PIN so that it's not easy to guess your password. And also make sure to keep your Face ID and your iOS version up to date for latest security protections. So these were a few settings that you can change before your iPhone is stolen. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.